Did you know a tiny white flower can calm the mind and grow your income? In this video, we're exploring chamomile farming, a peaceful crop with powerful profit potential. Chamomile is more than just a beautiful flower. It's a medicinal herb used in teas, oils, cosmetics, and skincare, loved worldwide for its calming effects. Among all varieties, German chamomile is best for farming. High yield, high demand, and farmer-friendly. Chamomile grows well in cool to warm climates with full sunlight and well-drained sandy loam soil. Sow the seeds in early spring or autumn. Sprinkle them lightly. Don't cover deeply. They need light to germinate. Water gently. Keep the soil moist, not wet. Use organic compost and regular weeding for healthy growth. Neem spray is enough for pest control. Chamomile is hardy, but keep an eye on aphids and mildew. Within 6 to 8 weeks, flowers begin to bloom. Harvest when the petals slightly droop. That's when quality is highest. Dry the flowers in shade to preserve value. From 1 hectare, farmers can harvest 800 to 1,200 kilograms of dried chamomile. Demand is strong in herbal tea, pharmaceutical, and wellness markets, and it's growing every year. Chamomile isn't just a calming herb, it's peace, profit, and potential. If you're planning an organic or small-scale farming venture, this flower could be your golden opportunity. Like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming wisdom.